No.
Multiplayer, find game. No,
2,
browse.
start game. Okay.
Uh, okay, wait. How do I find you? Why not? There we go. Found it. Okay. Okay.
We're doing hot dog, Joey.
Henry's Hot Dogs. Oh my god, this music is loud. Okay, wait. Give me a second. Does it, like, reset your settings every time you play?
It's crazy how we're like one of the only people that actually play this game.
That's crazy. Serve 14 customers. Alright, well, we gotta get their orders first. Look at these bitches coming in right now.
Dude, I can't turn.
Well, we have a sausage and bread, so... There
we
go.
go, I fixed it. Wait, so what is it?
We need a sausage and a sausage with bread. Which shouldn't be too hard. Just getting this shit out right now. Do we need to cook the bread is my question.
It's just sausage, right?
One is just sausage and one is sausage with bread.
Okay, I'm cooking the sausage. Get sausage.
Okay, I got another sausage. Okay, I'm gonna go check to see if I need to cook this bread. I think I do. Alright. Sausage with bread, but hot. Okay, I'm so confused, but okay. Okay, I need a plate. I probably do. I need to cut the hot dog bun? I don't think so, right?
Probably. Maybe you might be. I have to.
Okay.
Plain sausage.
Where's the knife?
I'm making. Right over there. Yep. It's a lot easier with 2 people. Yo, watch out.
1 second.
I could go out this way. Do we need plain hot dog?
Okay, I got the sausage with bread. Okay, customer served.
We need a hot dog.
I still don't know how we wash the dishes.
I do. Yeah, we need a plain hot dog.
Hot dog, okay. I got the dog. You cook the bread.
Okay. Do we have to cut the bread?
Probably. We probably need to put the hot dog in the bread. Okay, that's gonna be... Cook the bread. Is the bread cooked?
No.
Oh, I'm cooking it.
Sausage is cooked. Right?
Alright, don't put it back! Grab it! Okay, good.
We got 40 seconds to do that.
Okay, I gotta...
Put it on the plate.
What the fuck? Oh, okay.
Yeah, put it on.
Bro, where... Where is this plate?
I got it. Joey, flip the plate. I'll make it.
I dropped the dog. Okay, I'm gonna check out these guys.
God damn, why is this so difficult?
Can I order? Hello, sir. Plain hot dog and sausage with bread. I'm gonna get this.
I just flung the plate across the map.
Bruh. Oh, they're leaving. We still need a hot dog though, so it's fine.
Okay, so we need a plain hot dog.
And
okay, that's what I'm making right now.
We need a plain hot dog and a sausage with bread. I'm making the sausage with bread.
Making a plain hot dog. Can I just bring it all? Do I have to put it in the bread?
I think so.
Got it. Okay, whatever. I'm bringing it over. They can make it themselves.
Who ate it?
Okay, yeah, no, you don't have to put it.
You don't have to put it in?
No.
Okay, well I got a sausage with bread. Okay, we got happy customers. Okay, I'm gonna go take these guys' order.
Okay, what? Do we need any food? We'll get some more sausages.
Yeah, get some more sausages. I would say maybe get some more bread too. Okay, we need hot dog and sausage with bread, okay.
Okay. I bought 2 packages of each.
Okay, bet. Because we only have one sausage left.
We need plain hot dog and sausage and bread.
Yep.
Alright, truck's coming.
Alright. Okay, got the wiener.
Alright, Joey, put the wieners in the fridge.
1 second. Oh shit, mouse. No. I got
Did
the
it
mouse.
take the
How do I
bag?
get how do I get the mouse out of here?
Just throw it in the garbage.
Okay.
Disgusting.
Anthony, what are you doing? We're trying to cook meth.
Hey, yo, wait, what did you guys get? Wait, how are we making hot dogs?
It's a map for 1 to 2 people.
What?
Yeah, you can only play with 1 to 2.
Oh my god. What was that? Don't ask.
Okay. I got
Stop
some
humping my
buns.
chair, Anthony.
Can I try to help you?
Yeah, so
Anthony,
what do they
what
need?
is- they
They need
need
sausage and
Andrew,
bread.
can I
Sausage
fuck
and
you?
bread.
Okay, I'm putting sausages on the counter.
Putting my meat on the counter.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. It just flung out
Sausage.
everywhere, the
Oh
sausages.
my god, this is not good.
Like, you take one of your headphones off. Throw the rat out.
Moving the fire extinguisher. Yeah, we
Alright.
got more people.
Okay, this is... Anthony, stop touching me.
Hey, yo.
Anthony,
yo.
what is wrong with you?
Beans.
Yeah, Joe, I'm throwing this rat out.
Okay.
Throw out trash.
Oh my god, this is getting really messy. Holy shit.
What do you think? I'm gonna wash some plates. Is Anthony just watching you?
He got out. But... Okay, well there goes a wiener.
Why?
What?
Okay, I'm gonna get these people's plain hot dog, 2 plain hot dogs.
Okay, I
Take
got
them
a
off
hot
off the
dog.
ground. A lot of wieners on the ground.
Oh, okay. Well, we don't need this box anyways. Got ketchup for some reason.
No.
Got another wiener that I'm gonna put on here. There's just a cooked wiener on the ground, which is weird. Is this cooked? I don't know. I know I dropped a cooked one.
Let's go. Making money, Joey. Making money.
Okay, I'm gonna take these guys' order. Sausage, just a sausage. We got that.
Yeah. Do we need any more food?
I don't know. Can I just give him the sausage and
I'm
he'll
probably
eat it?
gonna order some more food just so we have it.
Is this
We
is
have
this
so much
cooked?
money.
I don't know if this is cooked. Okay.
Nah, yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna leave the boxes outside. That would
Okay.
probably be the best.
Okay, sausage is complete. Oh my god, my frames are dying right now. Why? These are like Anthony level frames.
Yeah, I'm leaving the boxes outside.
Oh my god, this rat stole a wiener.
Can he steal these boxes? I hope not.
I don't think so.
Unless they're tipped over, I don't think so.
Oh my god, we have a huge rat problem.
How many rats are? It's because we have so much stuff on the ground.
Yeah.
How's it looking in there, Joey?
This box is cursed. Throwing this box out, bro.
Yeah.
Can I even throw it out?
Yeah, look how many boxes we have.
We have way too many.
Anthony? Anthony? Was it Anthony gonna take a shower?
I don't know.
Shit.
Oh. Okay. They'll probably be dead soon.
Somehow I just bought us some more time.
That was a white dude, by the way.
No way, really.
Sausage and bread.
Okay, well sausage is easy.
If I'm gonna make that right
We have
now.
another rat, I'm throwing him out.
Yep.
I'm connected to the
Oh, where?
fucking internet. I am connected to the fucking internet, Mike. Why the fucking into the fucking internet, Mike?
I'll do this one. Work on the next one.
Okay.
Did I say just sausage?
Just sausage and bread. And then a sausage and
Oh,
bread.
Wait, who was I
It's,
sending that to?
Oh my god, my
Yeah.
game's froze right now.
Oh. Why is there a group? Why does Grandma make so many group chats?
I don't know.
How
Ask
does
her.
it matter?
I don't know, but like, why?
That's a great move. Okay, we need to clean these plates. How do we clean them?
Who
There
is
we
Throw them in the dish.
MSN.com?
Sausage and bread, and then we have a plain sausage.
Yeah, I'm making that. I'm making that.
We just need sausage. Joe, start working on the next people.
We just need a sausage.
Edit.
Can't grab that for
Oh.
some reason. There's a. Is that a cooked sausage just on the floor? Okay, for some reason I can't
Most
pick it up.
likely.
We are a mess right now.
So are you.
Plates are flinging all over the place, Joey.
It's
Hold
cursed. Okay, I grabbed a sausage.
We have a lot more people coming in, Joey.
Sausage and a sausage with bread. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get this sausage done real quick.
And bread.
I'm gonna get this sausage done real quick.
Done.
Sausage done.
Okay. Oh, I forgot we have to cook the bread.
Suck my dick.
This plate's
Okay.
clean.
Got a clean plate.
List. Boys. Done.
What are you
Boom.
looking up? Why are you
Boom.
putting in breakfast boys, Antonio?
Breakfast boys. Alright.
Makes sense.
And let me watch this TikTok you sent me.
It's not a tic tac.
You spelt breakfast boys wrong. I just want to let you know that.
It's okay for people that are not black to say the N-word. Hey, what's up, nigga?
I can't.
Uh,
I literally had to fucking use the knife to get the fucking shit off.
Hold on,
At a
Joey,
time.
question.
Oh my god.
Joey, even if this isn't for a video, can we please just like start dicking around in paint, just like dicking around?
What?
fine.
Please.
Fine.
Are we just like doing
I'm just
MS
digging
Paint now?
around.